Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change online status in Knives Out. If you want to change your online status to something else, then the process is quite easy in Knives Out. First of all, launch open the Knives Out application on your device and then tap on the little drop down menu right in front of your username at the top left. This will then bring up this menu where you can go ahead and select other status such as busy, hide, request invitation, etc. For more statuses, go tap on more status and select any one online status from the menu. After you do that, click on confirm, and that way you can easily change your online status on Knives Out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.